thoroughly clean the area around the damaged spot. Use a solvent or cleaner. Ensure the area is free of dirt, dust, and debris. Use a clean rag or cloth to dry the area completely. Apply the adhesive to the damaged area. Follow the instructions provided with the adhesive for the correct application method and drying time. For this patch, we want the adhesive to become tacky. Carefully position the patch over the damaged area. Once it makes contact, it will be difficult to reposition, so make sure it's correctly aligned before applying pressure. Use a seam roller to firmly press the patch into place, working from the center outwards to remove any air bubbles and ensure a good bond. Apply a lap sealant around the edges of the patch to ensure a watertight seal. Check for any gaps, bubbles, or loose edges and address them.